Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the long hair or short hair debate. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So how long should you really grow your hair? And that all depends on personal preference, right? It doesn't really matter at what age you are, but sometimes maybe if you're in school, it's not really ideal if you want to get long hair, so you have to cut a shorter hairstyle. For example, back in Malaysia when I was studying in Chinese school, you had to shave your hair all bald. But now that I'm working, I can grow my hair however I like. Let's just quickly go over the pros of short hair. So when you have short hair, it's easier to maintain overall. There's not really hair sticking out because it's all short and tidy. It's also easier to style if you want to go in a business environment and everything seems more professional. Short hair is also more comfortable to sleep in, especially if you want to sleep on the sides, so your long hair could just go in your eyes or just be uncomfortable. So by having less hair on the side and sleeping, it just makes everything more simple. And with short hair, you also will not have the problem of your hair going to your eyes. When I play tennis, every time my hair would just fall into my eyes. So I either have to wear a cap or just wear a headband. To sum everything up, so short hair is basically just easier to maintain and does not get in the way of your eyes. Now moving on to the pros of long hair. So when you have longer hair, you're basically getting many hairstyles in one haircut. Because when you have long hair, you have the ability to style it in many different hairstyles. For me right now, it's not really long, it's kind of medium hair right now. But I can style it like this, I can style it like this, I can style it like this. There's just many different ways you can push your hair around because of how long it is. Also, as guys, if your hair is shorter, you have to make more visits to the barber or cut it yourself because your side hair will just grow out too fast. But with longer hair, you can go many months without cutting your hair and it doesn't look off because your hair is long, so it's already like this. So a few months later, it will just be slightly longer. The difference will not be much. If you live in a climate that's colder, having longer hair will also keep you warm. Having long hair in a hot environment is just really bothersome sometimes. You're just sweaty all the time, your hair sticks to you, everything doesn't feel comfortable. But if you live somewhere cold like Canada, or in the States or anywhere in North America, then you should get longer hair. If you decide to get long hair and tie it up as a man bun, when you go outside, people will surely look at you because it's not often that people wear a man bun when they go outside. Just go to the mall, for example, guys, and you can see more often than not, more people have short hair than long hair. Now let's move on to the cons of short hair. So like I just mentioned before, for short hair, you have to visit the barber more often because if you start growing out your short hair for even a few weeks, it will start looking really untidy and all your hair will just stick out like a porcupine. Short hair also means that you'll be colder during the winter time because there's no hair to keep you more warm. But this is not a big deal because you can easily wear like a toque, to keep yourself warm. The downside of having long hair is that you'll just be seen as more messy overall because, every time I wake up, my hair kind of looks like this. Especially if I'm working or go out looking like this, people will just look at you and see that you're an untidy person. So it's really having a little bit more effort just to make yourself look more presentable. Also, since your hair is longer, it's more prone to falling off. And this is something that guys do not want because the more hair that falls off, the less you have on your head. You can notice this especially when you shower and look at your clogged shower drain. There's going to be a lot of hair sticking down there. With long hair, it will also get into knots more easily, so you have to brush it more in order to make it more smooth. It's completely normal to be losing 50 to 100 strands of hair a day, so don't freak out if you see a lot of hair in the shower. And that's basically the gist of the debate between long hair and short hair. It really depends on who you ask, but more often than not, you will see a majority of guys having shorter hair, and then some guys having medium hair, and not many guys have long hair. So, if you ask Mace Windu, for example, obviously he prefers rocking no hair. If you ask Obi-Wan Kenobi, he has a shorter hairstyle. If you ask Anakin Skywalker, he has a medium hairstyle. And if you ask Qui-Gon Jinn, this guy has long hair. At the end of the day, just do you. If you prefer longer hair, you should grow it out. If you rather keep short hair to make things more tidy, then you should maintain it by cutting more often. For me personally, I've grown out having shorter hairstyles, so that's why now I'm experimenting with more longer hairstyles. And also one thing to remember is that for most guys, the genetics are not in our favor. By the time we're age 50, 85 of us guys will have balding hair. I'm not even joking, guys, I can show you. So yeah, the odds are not in our favor. 85%. Cherish your precious hair as long as possible. Don't damage it too much by using strong heat or dye your hair too often because that's damaging to your hair. So as we get older, we will lose more hair, and over time, over here, we will no longer have any hair here. And when this happens, it's really impossible for you to grow a longer hairstyle. So my opinion is that when you're younger and when you have hair at least, you should try longer hairstyles. Just so that when you get older, you can look back and see that you had many different hairstyles while growing up. So what do you guys think about this? Do you prefer short hair or long hair? Let me know down in the comments. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Till next time, this is Javian Fong signing off.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read, and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, for you I don't got no time. I ain't stressing.
Yeah, hey, girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it. It was us against the world and we were playing it.